everyone, it's Kiki. Look at my toes moving. So the reason I'm coming to you today, although I've had a very long absence, is because I ordered a present for my mother for Mother's Day, and she doesn't know what it is, but she has requested something in this textile or canvas, and I wanted to go ahead and get her something even though I couldn't afford to get her something new. So this is for her, and I ordered it from a lady on Instagram called Daphne Lux LVR, and her name is Daphne. You can go ahead and find her on Instagram. Anyways, so she sold this for a really, really affordable price, and I wanted to do an unboxing. You know how I am, so here we go. And I'll try not to get into the frame so you can just see my hands. Alright, so here I am opening the box. I kind of closed up her information, or hid her information, not to violate her privacy. And of course I hid my information as well, because yeah, don't want no stalkers. So yeah, I've been gone for a while, y'all. Guess what? I had a baby too while I was gone. I had a beautiful baby boy, and he's amazing. It's definitely changed my life and my reality. And then, as you can probably tell from the last video I made, we also, me and my partner, bought a home, and we, as you probably tell from the last video, we had purchased one home, but we weren't happy with it, so we ended up not getting that home, and we ended up buying a second home. So what you're seeing here is us, recording from our living room. Alright, so here's the box right here. I just opened it. Inside here is a dust bag. And in this dust bag, this is one of the old items you can see. This was her pre-loved item from years ago. But it's a really old, I don't know how do you say it, Struce 26. It's a really, really old one. As you can see, it has a little bit of wear and tear on it. The hardware is old and rusted, but supposedly can be shined up. And yeah, that's what it looks like on the inside, because it is pre-loved, y'all. So that's what that looks like. It's been very much loved and used over time. So it's from the 80s. What can you expect from the 80s? And Daphne was kind enough to include the box, which was really sweet of her. I didn't expect that. And even the ribbon and an old receipt. So here's the receipt of what she gave me, which was really nice of her. It doesn't say where it was purchased, so let me make sure her information's not visible in here. I don't want that to be visible. Oh, it's the gift receipt, kind of. Oh, hold on. There we go. I'll hide it. So it kind of tells you how much things cost on there. I won't give you any more information than that. But that was really kind of her. Thank you, Daphne. And inside of this box, hopefully my hands are clean. Hold on. You can probably guess already, is a Louis Vuitton Damier Azur favorite for my mama. So I haven't inspected it. It has a little bit of what looks to be a scratch on the here. Can you see that? There's a little bit of a scratch on there. Actually, that is not a scratch, that's the tape. She never took off the tape, so the hardware is in perfect condition. I lied, that's not a scratch. She left on the tape. Smart woman. And then this is the sides of it. Wow, she kept this in great condition. My mother's going to be really excited. And then this is the top of it, so you can see. Now let me look at it outside. Okay, yeah, top of it. I don't have anything in Damier Azur because I'm so terrified of it. Here's the interior. There's the protective tape on it. Here's the chain. So I'm going to put this out. that is removable on one side, and then over here she also wrapped inside of it the cord, and she kept everything in amazing condition. Wow. And then she stuffed it for me. That was sweet of her. Yep, so this obviously was made in the United States because it says it right there. And then it says Louis Vuitton, and then here she kept the little cards of what it is and all the nice little accessories that they include when you purchase a Louis Vuitton item. Alright, y'all, well, that's really the gist of what I want to show you today. I know I've been gone for some time, and I appreciate you kind of tuning in really quickly. I'll probably post this when my mother finally gets it. But yeah, have a great day, y'all. 6 minutes. Bye.